Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel JD Cars and Bikes. For getting and rid of used cars like this, all you need to do is subscribe my channel and get that notification bell icon on. So today we are standing near Ford Figo, and it's a 2010 registration and 11 manufacture. Two owners have been done with this vehicle. So this is the side profile of the car. Very neat and good maintained vehicle, and it's very less driven. Driven around 38,000 km on its odo, with no reversing done on it. So there is some work need to be done. There's this door need to be get repainted with tinkering. So it's little damage over there. So it has a central lock over here. It's a stock one, and this car comes with two power window, and it has a power steering with AC and the rear wiper, and you get two airbags over here on a steering wheel and the co-driver side. So you don't get any power window over here. At the rear door pad, you just get a grab handle over here and the lock and unlock lever with a speaker. I don't know it's there or not, and a winding handle for manually adjusting this window. And at the rear seat, you don't get any armrest or anything else, but a 3-person can easily sit in this car at the rear. And here are the two hanging handle, I say. And at the boot, I think so you don't get any lock over here. You need to open from the dashboard. There's a button over here. So here you get a decent size of a boot, the light, and here you get an extra tire. The tire size of 175/65 R14, which is all 5 tires are of 14 inches. So this is also same size, 175/65 R14. And moving on to the engine bay, the opener is here. So here you get a Duratec Ford 4-cylinder, inline 4-cylinder non-turbocharged petrol engine. So I don't know the configuration of this, how much the horsepower it produces. Comment below. But I get a mileage of this car in the city as well. I'm driving from the couple of days. It's having around 15 to 16 km per liter on the lower RPMs. And dashboard with a decent space. I think there is some charging socket over here, but it's dummy one. And you get a 4 AC vents, 1, 2, 3, and it's a 4th one. At the rooftop, we get a sunshade with the mirror for the co-driver, and then a sunshade without mirror for the driver. There's a reading light over here. And in the center console, you get some space to keep some stuffs here, and the handbrake with the 5-speed gear lever over here. It's a 5-speed gear lever and the 12-volt charging socket, the cup holder, and some space for keeping any stuff here. And the infotainment system, which is it's a stock one. And there is a AC controllers over here, the fan speed and the climate control. Everything is over here. Now coming on to the Odo. As I said you, this car has a cover around 38,000. Yeah, 38,397 on its Odo, but and no reversing done on this. It's a genuine one, so it feels very fresh and very good in driving and by seating and all. Only that door has some damage on it. So this is a controller for the right and left indicator, and here are the controllers for the headlights, and this lever is the controller for the, I think it's working now, for the wipers. So, and that's it. If you like the video, then do hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I have mentioned all the contact details with the Google Map link and the address in the description box below. Go and check it out once. It will be very easy for you to reach here. Thank you.